Lord, where's my phone? I'll take care of these folks. All right, good morning. I have Charles Parker. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine.
Good. Going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room so you can speak with an attorney before I hear your matter. There is a bit of a wait. Please use the time you're waiting to gather documents if your case involves it, like registration, insurance, etc. You're going to room 22. Please hit join.
Excuse me, I had a question.
Go ahead.
Yes, I was just making sure this is my judge I have to see today.
Yep, your last name is Parker. You're where you should be.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. On the TCL device, please unmute. On the TCL device, please unmute. All right. Okay, very good. We got compliance there, so we're ready on both of those. Thank you. Mr. Penny, please unmute. Turn on your camera. What does this say? Limited LA 1 to 5. Max key. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. It looks like the attorney and the client isn't here, but Officer Flornay did check in.
Okay, I'll keep an eye out. Thanks so much.
Okay, thank you, Judge. I'll bounce right back. Okay.
All right. On Joshua Poma, good morning, Mr. Poma. Calling ticket number P1556001, City versus Joshua Poma. Mr. Poma, please state your name for the record.
Joshua Poma.
Thank you. Congratulations on completing your delayed sentence. This will now be removed from your record and the case is dismissed. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much. You as well.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Mr. Penny, please turn on your camera so we can get your cases done. Get you on out of here.
How about turn the camera on?
All right. What's your name in the baseball cap?
Paul Petway.
Okay. Give me just a minute to get to you. All right. Mr. Penny, good morning. Calling ticket number
Good morning.
P186350, City versus Gary Penny. Mr. Penny, state your name for the record, please.
Gary Penny.
Thank you. Your sole charge before me was not having insurance. You've now shown valid insurance to defense counsel, and they've made a motion to dismiss your ticket on that basis, which I am granting. Your ticket is dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, Mr. Petway.
Yes.
Tell me the first name again, please.
Yes.
I'm missing that. What is it?
Paul Petway, P-A-U-L.
Oh, thank you. You make sure that Charles Parker is in fact in the right place. I would hate to have him sitting if he's not. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Petway, same thing. I'm going to send you to a breakout room. You'll wait there for an attorney. There's going to be a little bit of a wait. So if you know you need to show them things like registration or insurance documents, gather those items now, okay? While you're waiting. They'll be there. Room 23, please hit join. We'll be ready next on Cedric Posey. Thank you. Let's bring him back out then. Trying to get Mr. Posey to come out. right, Mr. Posey, good morning. Please turn your camera back on. We'll get your plea done. How are you this morning?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. All right. Give me just a moment. All right. Calling ticket number P1874606 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Cedric Posey Jr. Mr. Posey Jr., good morning. Please state your name for the record.
My name is Cedric Posey Jr.
Thank you. All right. Give me one moment, please. I'm trying to understand what's going on with your plea. Your 6 month, you got a 6 month delay on. That's going to be the furnished false info. Then you've got a failure to display. And then you've got limited access 1 to 5, and then everything else is being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. Did anyone else promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, please raise your right hand, Mr. Posey, and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I do.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Posey, is it true, this is going back to 2018, is it true that on August 29th of 2018, at an area of the Lodge and Webb, that you operated a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit without and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it also true that you furnished false information to the officer at that time? That's your delayed sentence. That's your 6 month delayed sentence that we talked about.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And then we need a limited access. So let's do. All right. You've got a 2026 that they're asking me to pull out of default for disregarding a traffic control device. I will do that. And that way you don't get points there. Comes down from a points ticket to a no points ticket. And then so you are admitting that on March 2nd of 2026 in the area of Chester and Canyon, that you either disregarded a traffic control device or that you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit. Is all of that correct? Okay,
Yes.
thank you. All right, I'm going to give you your fines. On your failure to display, that one is $190. On the furnishing false info, because it's on the same ticket, I can reduce that one to $100. Then your 1 to 5 limited access is set by statute at $125. Okay. So you've got 125, 190, and 100. I'm going to give you 90 days to do one of two things. In that 90 days, you need to either pay them in full or go see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse and tell them that you need a longer term payment plan if you need one. All you have to do is at least give them the down payment to start that payment plan within the 90 days and your deal remains intact. If you know you're going to do that, you should see them sooner rather than later so you know how much they're going to want from you and how much you need to get saved up within the 90 days. Okay.
Okay. Now,
All
is
right.
there a way that I can get community service for this instead of pay the fines?
Yep, you sure can. Plus. 15 hours, and then your 25 is going to be 20 hours. Okay, so you're going to have 38 hours of community service.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. No, that's not right. Hold on. Let me just use the calculator instead of trying to do math in my head. All right, so we got 190. 15. Okay, that one's 13 hours. And then I've got 100. Six, so that one is correct, 18 hours there. Can you give Mr. Posey the phone number to call for community service, please?
Are you ready, Mr. Posey?
Yes.
It's 313-965-8130.
965-8130.
Yes, and please wait until tomorrow to call to find out where you'll be sent.
Okay, thank you.
And then, hold on, let me give you your total hours. 8, so 18 plus 8. And then you're going to come back in 90 days so we can make sure it's done. That 90-day date is going to be July 29th of 2026.
Okay.
At 8 a.m. for review. And you've got 18 plus 8. Let's see.
26.
You've got 26 hours of community service total. So when you call them, just let them know that you have 26 hours of community service to do, okay?
Okay.
And they will give you a placement and you'll come back and see us in 90 days. So let us know that it's done, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye. All right, you can go ahead and disconnect. All right, Mr. Payne will be next. If you turn your camera on, I'm going to go ahead to Mr. Peters since you're ready. Mr. Peters, calling ticket number P1874986, City versus John Stephen Peters. Mr. Peters, just state your name for the record, please.
John Stephen Peters.
Thank you. Your tickets are for plates, insurance, and license. I'm told all of these things are valid now. Did we run an SOS here?
Yes.
Okay, very good. All of these things are valid. Defense counsel has made a motion to dismiss all of your tickets, which I'm going to do. All are dismissed for compliance. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Right now, Mr. Payne, good morning. Calling ticket number P1884093, City versus Dontel Payne. Mr. Payne, just state your name for the record for me, please.
Dante Payne.
Dante Payne. Thank you. Did I say Dontel? I'm sorry.
Yeah, you said
think
Dontel.
I was looking at your middle name too, so I was combining the two. All right, sorry about that. Dante Payne. You've got tickets for registration and insurance. Defense counsel has reviewed valid documents and asked me to dismiss your tickets at this time, which I'm going to go ahead and do. All are dismissed for compliance. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too, ma'am.
All right, bye-bye. Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Attorney, did you give up the number?
Yeah, that's my personal cell. Cause then they
I
give.
thought about it.
Mhm.
I think that's
That's okay, it's okay.
city phone.
And then I thought it was a substitute clerk in here, but it's a substitute clerk in person.
I'm so sorry.
That's okay, that's okay. I told her I'm moving on Zoom, but I'm gonna look at her case, 'cause I got the information. Thank you, no
Okay.
problem. Okay.
I was like, that's not.
Trying to get Mr. Parker's attention. If I can't, I'm gonna have to remove him. He asked me if he was in the right place. I'm just gonna remove. He'll log back in.
What time do you open up your doors?
Good morning.
When time you get here?
We have someone here.
Okay.
Do we have someone here?
Yes, I just didn't know what time you guys open up for.
Well, we're open, so are you available to come in with them, or are you just asking?
I'm available. Yeah,
Okay.
I can do that.
Thank you. Janaya T, good morning. I need you to give me a last name if that's your correct first name. Janaya T, please unmute.
Janaya Thompson.
Thank you. Right, I'm going to place you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. There will be a wait once you're in the breakout room. Please use the time you're waiting to gather documents of your case. If you've gotten your registration, your insurance, or gotten something fixed on the vehicle, go ahead and gather those items while you wait for the attorneys to get to your room. You are going to room 22. Please hit join. Good morning, Attorney Ragland.
Good morning, Your Honor. I just want to let you know I'm here.
Okay. Yep, you just missed Ms. Horn. She was just here. Who you here on?
I have a trial set for Mr. DeAndre Turner.
Okay, so you'll just want to know from her whether there's an offer there.
Yes, Ms. Horn also. I will find out, Your Honor. But I've been,
Yep, she'll go to room 2 when she gets here.
okay.
All right, thank you.
I'm out in the hallway, so this is a little new for me, but we're gonna try.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, you're more than welcome to come in. So
All right.
I always love to see your face. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Corporal Spadell, good morning. Which case are you here on, please? Corporal Spadell, good morning. Which case are you here on, please? Sergeant Lord, good morning. Getting you into breakout room number 1 to meet with the city attorney. Please go ahead and join.
Thank you.
Give them dirty.
Corporal Spadell, can you hear me? Okay. Attorney, is it Stahick? Where'd she just go? All right, add the Kamari Pearson file, please. Thank you. Corporal Spadell, I need a defendant's name before I can move you to the breakout room. In the meantime, Kamari Pearson, please unmute, turn on your camera so that we can do your matter. Thank you.
Hello.
Good morning. Calling tickets number P1886226 and P1886228. Both of these are City versus Kamari Pearson. Mr. Pearson, please state your name for the record. Unmute first, please, and state your name for the record.
My name is Kamari Pearson.
Thank you. Mr. Pearson, it appears you're going to be admitting to a seatbelt ticket, and then 2 other matters are being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. Need an answer.
Everything I'm going to tell you is the truth.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on March 22nd, 2026, in the area of St. Aubin and Gratiot, you were operating a vehicle and you were not wearing your seatbelt?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. That is a $65 ticket, no points. 60 days to get it paid, okay?
All righty.
All right, have a good day.
You as well.
Thank you. Good morning. Can you ask the gentleman there his name, or you've done that already? No. All right, thank you. If you would help me just manage that part. Thank you. All right. Attorney Barton, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. I actually came in earlier with the wrong name, but okay. I have my names proper today. I have
okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead. I didn't want to do it.
Hold on 1 second. I'll get to you. Corporal Spadell, getting you to room 1. Ms. Kiglise, I'll be with you in just a moment. Okay, Attorney Barton, I was just going to try to see if your folks were here. You have Peltz, Thompson, and Pelt.
Is
that correct?
Pletz. Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry. I think it's Pletz, P-L-E-T-Z, Pelt, and then Thompson.
And which Thompson? Taylor Pelt is
Dion.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Go ahead.
That's okay. Taylor Pelt is in room 15. You should go there and
15.
rename it so they don't go visit them. And then the first name on the Thompson was?
Dion.
Okay, I don't see that person here yet.
Okay.
So watch for Dion Thompson and Pletz.
That's correct.
In room 15. In the meantime, you have co-host and city attorney will go to room 2 when she gets back.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You are welcome. All right, calling ticket number P177-7469 and P1875102. These are City versus Portia Pegues. Ms. Pegues, please unmute and turn your camera on so that we can do your matters. Thank you. All right, looks like you are in compliance, and so council has asked me to dismiss both of the tickets against you, which I'm going to go ahead and do. I just need to state your name for the record, please.
Portia Piggies.
Thank you. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a great day, ma'am.
You too. Thank you.
Oh, he's in the non-court. Each street.
Is that this gentleman here? Yeah. All right, try to look. Is he gone?
Want to bring him back in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, street court.
That's all it is, all it is.
Check in on him already.
He's given this new date. Officer Romano, good morning. Sending you to room 1 to meet with city attorney.
Good morning. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Charles Parker, we actually are not seeing you, so I was trying to get your attention. I removed you once I couldn't get a response from the breakout room. Turn your camera on, please. Unmute so we can try to figure out where you're supposed to be. Officer Nelson, good morning.
I think if it's not you, then it must be
One moment, please. Officer Nelson, what case are you here on, please?
Good morning. Hold on one second. There's so many. Judge Kings, Judge Holmes.
You're at Ramsey-Heath now.
Yep. It's here. Bear with me for one moment.
Okay.
Prince is the last name.
Okay.
First
Prince.
Correct. This is from 2021.
Okay, I'm putting you in a breakout room 1.
Thank you, dear.
Or if you already know you have no recall, you can let me know that. And that way, it sounds like you're managing a lot of places today, so.
Yes, I am, and that would be correct.
Okay, are you requesting dismissal for no recall?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay, all right, I'll make a note of that. I'll take care of it. That way you can go ahead and deal with your other courtrooms if this is the only one you have with me.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I'll let Ms. Warren know you were here. All right. Okay, Mr. Parker, we're going to try to figure you out. And then good morning, sir. It's Victor Tompkins.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you again today?
I'm fine. You?
Good. So we put you in the street court program. That means that when you have a court date like this, check with street court because you don't necessarily have to come. You now have an attorney through street court, so they'll come on your behalf. Okay. And what they're doing is really they're just requesting adjournments until you get a chance to finish the street court program and we get to graduation. That's going to be what they're doing. It's just to make sure that we're still going and you're still in touch with them. You've been in touch with them and doing the program?
Yes, I have.
Okay, great. All right. Madam Clerk, do you know what the next date we set for?
June 25th.
Okay, so we set it for June 25th at 8:30, but you don't need to come unless street court tells you you need to come. Okay. Okay. All right. Have a great day, sir. I'm sorry you came all the way down here.
It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a great
Have a
day.
good day too.
All right. Bye-bye. Okay. Charles Parker, we're going to try. Do you have any kind of ticket number, case number, a notice?
I was supposed today was supposed to be my the ending of my street democracy thing.
Do you have a graduation today?
No, I wasn't able to make it to the graduation at Confucius, but I did all my stuff. I told them I was sick, me and my son was.
Okay, no problem. Give me just a minute. Sergeant Dara, please give me a name, defendant's name, please.
Good morning. I'm here for Rowan Prince.
I'll put you in breakout room number 1.
Thank you.
You can go ahead to room 1. Thank you. Are you working on Charles Parker?
I need a middle name here.
Can you give us a middle name, Mr. Parker?
William.
Okay, we're looking. Lindell Potts, go ahead and unmute, please. Start your video so that I can take your plea. Calling ticket number P1837463 and P1885074, City versus Lindell Potts. Mr. Potts, just state your name for the record, please.
Lindell Potts.
Thank you, Mr. Potts. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to the improper transport under a 3-month delayed sentence. Everything else is being dismissed. That's the no insurance. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I affirm.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on December 2nd of 2025 in the area of West Verner and Infantry Street, you were improperly transporting a portion of usable marijuana?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 3 months to get it paid under your delayed sentence. As long as you pay it and don't pick up any similar tickets, the case will be dismissed at the end of the 90 days. If you don't get it paid or you pick up a similar ticket, you need to come back and see me so you can see if I can get you back on track, okay? That's going to be July 29th. If you need to come back and see me at 8:30 in the morning. In the meantime, 190, 90 days to pay. Have a great day.
You as well. Thank you so much.
Officer Kren, sending you to breakout room number 1 to meet with city attorney. Good morning. Johnson just sent me a chat and I'm not sure why. I'm going to move our trial cases up. So I've got Ray John Prince, going to move him to 3 officers here. Okay, anything on Parker yet?
It looks like Judge Sharp closed this case. It's April 15th. District Court.
Okay, does that mean they were successfully closed, dismissed?
I don't see anything open.
Does that mean they were dismissed pursuant to street court? When you say closed, I don't know. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
I just found the one. I don't know what tickets he had. I did find one, so I believe they closed them. Whatever he had open.
Okay, was your graduation supposed to be on April 15th, Mr. Parker?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the Judge Sharp closed your cases out, dismissed them at that time. So your cases have been dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good day. Thank you, Madam Clerk. All right, I've got Xavier Thomas.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I see you were in with Attorney Walling. Did he send you out?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you know what time you were scheduled? Okay, here we go. All we have is license suspended. There. Okay, thank you. All right, calling ticket number. Where did that just go? SP 178-65321, City versus Xavier Thomas. Mr. Thomas, just state your name for the record, please.
Xavier Thomas.
Thank you. Our Secretary of State search shows that your license is now valid. So we're going to go ahead and dismiss your ticket at this time. This one is dismissed. Please be aware you do have a seatbelt ticket that went into default from 2025. It's no points, but it's a $65 fine that's just hanging out there. At some point, you'll want to get that taken care of. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
Madam Clerk, all I want to do on this one is you'll see there's one in 2025 from in default. I just want to remove the late fee on that one. Okay, thank you. All right, now we have Andre Turner up to 4. Be right with you, Mr. Thrash.
Okay.
Right, Officer Ayala, good morning. I'm going to place you in breakout room number 1 to meet with the city attorney.
Okay, thank you. Good morning.
Thank you. Good morning. Tanzania, please unmute. I need to know your full name, please. What's the last name, please? Thank you. Placing you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Ms. Phelps, you are going to room 20. Please hit join. Nope, you're going to room 24. Please hit join.
Thank you so much.
Please join the breakout room. Okay, Zakiah Pinkard, good morning.
Good morning.
You do have officers here for your trial today. I'm going to place you in a breakout room so that you can, attorney. Please go ahead to the breakout room now. Join. And Corporal Baker, which case are you here on, please?
Zanaya Picard.
Okay, placing you in breakout room number 1 so that you can meet with the city attorney before I hear the matter. Go to room 1, please. Good morning, Mr. Thrash. Calling ticket number P15-36665 and P152-5842 and P103-6273 and 195-211-401. All of these are City versus Damon Thrash. Mr. Thrash, state your name for the record, please.
Damon Thrash.
Thank you. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display and 1 count of impeachment, with everything else being dismissed pursuant to your plea. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Is it true, sir, that on November 27th of 2023 in the area of East 7 Mile and Ryan, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it also true that at that time your vehicle did not have proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Your fines are as follows. On the failure to display, $190. On the improper plate, $100. $290 altogether, 60 days to get it paid in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment within the 60 days. You do one of those 2 things, this deal remains intact. Have a great day.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, officers, I need to know which cases you're here on. Thank you, Corporal Bennett. Thank you both. Both of you are going to room 1 to meet with city attorney. All right.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Morning. Officer Sarkisian, good morning to you as well. Room 1 for you guys. Thank you. Good morning, Attorney Johnson.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have a gentleman, Mr. Dontel Trailer, who I cannot find on any docket. Just
That
needs.
name is familiar to me too. That's room 19, Madam Clerk. Can we help him out, please?
And he couldn't help me either.
Okay.
But he just trying to take care of his business. So.
Antel Trailer, the only ticket I see in the system is an open alcohol ticket. And it was dismissed April 27th because the The officer is no longer with DPD. It was dismissed on Monday.
All right, that may be one where he was missing, but Ms. Horn knew the officer was no longer with the force and we just dismissed it, so,
Okay, I'll let them know.
okay,
Thank you.
thanks. Officer Johnson, good morning. Going to go ahead and get you into breakout room number 1 to see city attorney.
Good morning. Thank you.
Okay. Good morning. I'll be right with you, Mr. Thompson.
Good morning.
Deshaun Thompson, ready with Deshaun Thompson when you're ready on that file, please, Madam Clerk. Officer Stevens, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning. I'm here for Prince, Reginald Prince.
Thank you. Officer Tramble, good morning. Please unmute. Let me know which case you're here on, please. Officer Stevens, you're going to room 1. Officer Tramble, please unmute. I need to know which case you're here on.
Hello, can you hear me?
I can. Which case are you here on, please?
I'm going to be here for his last name is Prince.
That's fine. Thank you.
If you don't mind, can I dismiss it? Because I don't recall this.
Yep, I will just go ahead and make a note there on Prince. Let's see, where are we? Nelson, okay. And you are Tramble, okay. Okay, I will make a note of that.
Okay.
And then
Thank
if you don't have anything else with me today, you can go ahead and go.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate you.
You are welcome. Have a good day.
Too.
Bye. Sorry, give me just a moment, Mr. Thompson. I'll be right with you. Do a little bit of case management here. What just happened here? That's on Prince. Okay, DeAndre Turner. Okay. All right. Good morning. How are you? All right, Arias Pinkston, good morning. I'm going to place you in a breakout room before I hear your matter. An attorney will be with you. Please wait patiently. You're going to room 24. Please hit join.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, Deshaun Thompson, calling tickets number P1878828 and P1878829, City versus Deshaun Andre Thompson. Mr. Thompson, state your name for the record, please.
Deshaun Andre Thompson.
Thank you. They're going to dismiss your license ticket, or I'm going to dismiss your license ticket. And then you are going to plead to the reduced charge on the disregarding traffic control device of 1 to 5 over limited access, which is a 0-point offense. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
And it's the truth and nothing but the truth.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on March 22nd of 2026 in the area of Van Dyke and East Jefferson that you either disregarded a traffic control device or you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, the fine on the 1 to 5 over limited access is $125. You have 60 days to get that paid or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. As long as you do one of those two things, this deal remains in place. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Officer Del Zocchio, I need to know which case you're here on, please.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Going to be Prince.
Thank you. The other officers, please unmute. I'll need to know which cases you're here on so that I can get you to the breakout room. Del Zocchio, you're going to room 1.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer Pierce. I'm also on Mr. Prince.
Thank you for naming your device. I'll go ahead and get you into room 1. Please hit join.
Thank you.
Okay, Officer Hayes, thank you for naming your device. You're going to room 1.
Okay, thank you.
Officer Mahan, I need to know, thank you, Corporal Spadell. I'll be right with you. Officer Mahan, I need to know which case you're here on, please.
Yep, Officer Mahone, I'm also here on Mr. Prince.
Thank you. Who's that? Oh, she's not talking to me. Okay. All right. Attorney Mahon, getting you into room number 1. All right. Corporal Spadell, yes, your hand is raised.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. I just needed to sign into another court. I was wondering if I could sign out and sign back in.
Yeah, please don't miss the city attorney here. You need to let her know. There's way too many officers for me to keep track of, and I don't want to end up dismissing a case for no officer. So if you're leaving, please let Ms. Horn know that you are here on these matters.
Okay, I will do.
Okay, thank you. All right, Mr. Patty, I'll be with you in just a moment. We'll deal with your review. Attorney Ragnan, are you ready on your matter?
No, Your Honor, I need to speak to Ms. Horn, please.
So you may want to go see if she's in her office because she's not in here with us just yet, but she's got a lot of officers waiting and she usually comes back around this time. So I would expect that she'll be back shortly, but she's not with me right now.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Either wait in room 2 or try to go find her. Who's your client?
The client is DeAndre Turner.
Okay, that's for trial. The officers, I think I had an officer check in. Let me just see. Yep, we have officers here, so you'll need to definitely see her.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Is my client checked in, Your Honor?
Hi. Yes, he's here. Yep, you can see him if you want. He is in room 4.
You let me give me a host capability, please.
Yeah, you should have it. That's how you ended up back out here. Let's see.
All right.
Oh, you lost it somehow. Okay. Yep. So you can go to room 4. Thank you. Attorney Walling.
Yes. Is Ms. Horn around?
Not in here. Nope.
Okay.
I'm hoping she'll be back shortly.
Okay.
Officers, I need you to name your devices with the defendant's name if you don't mind. Otherwise, I'm going to start doing it. Sergeant Buffington, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning. I'm here on Polk.
POLK?
Yes.
Thank you. And Rodriguez, which case are you here on, please?
I'm here on Polk also.
Polk, okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and then I have Officer Hill. Which case are you here on, please?
I'm here for Christopher Turner.
Are you sure the first name is Christopher?
That's what I got in my subpoena.
Okay, thank you. Then I'll need to go back and make sure that the other officer is here on that matter. All right, thank you. Officer Kakish, good morning. I need to know who you're here for, please.
Good morning for Mr. Prince.
Thank you. All right, officers, I'm going to place you in breakout room number 1 so that you can see the city attorney. She'll be back shortly, hopefully here. Let's go ahead and get you guys into room 1. You'll start seeing the invitations now. Okay. All right, then I've got a review. Can we get probation here, please? Officer Rodriguez, you should see an invitation to breakout room number 1. You need to join before the invitation disappears. Mr. Patty, I have to wait for someone from the probation department to get here. I think deal with your matter.
Okay.
She says he may need to speak to an attorney. Attorney Bachman is no longer a part of the case because he's already.
Has something happened where she's recommending that probation be revoked? so that he's facing jail time?
No, she believes he needs to speak to an attorney before they do the review,
Oh,
because I guess some situation come up and she believes he needs to be represented by counsel.
all right.
The attorney for Hoffman is no longer a part of the case, so it's okay for him to speak to our house counsel.
Okay, thank you. All right, give me just a minute. On the Motorola, unmute, please. I need a name. Please unmute. There we go.
How you doing? This is
Good.
Roland
What's your
Thompson.
name?
Roland Thompson.
Roland Thompson. Is he here for trial, Madam Clerk?
He was here yesterday, he completed his community service.
Yeah, that's what I
Okay.
was calling. That's what I was calling about. So you took care of all my tickets and everything got erased. But when I went to the Secretary of State, this one ticket still showing up of no proof of insurance from 2024. So that's still stopping me from moving forward. And I was wondering.
I'll take a look at it. I'll take a look. Give me just a minute. We'll see if we have anything open for you. Roland Thompson, please, Madam Clerk.
It probably wasn't included in the community service.
Mr. Patty, sounds like they want you to see an attorney. I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room so that you can do that.
All righty.
We may have to get you a new date for your review so that you have time to speak with the attorney, but I'm going to put you in room 6 right now so they can come see you real quick. Go ahead to room 6, please.
All righty.
Good morning, Officer Richardson. I need to know which case you're here on, please.
Good morning.
Good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Just a second.
Okay.
I'm here on last name Prince.
Okay, thank you.
But is it somehow that we can go in the break room, or I can go in the break room?
So normally what I do is put you in breakout room number 1 where the city attorney will come and see you. If what you're saying is you have no recollection and you want to dismiss, I can make a note of that and let her know. But otherwise you go into room 1 to speak with her.
Yes, ma'am. Can you make a note of that for me, please?
Okay, thank you, Officer Richardson. Thank you.
Okay, am I all set, or do you want me to?
All set to go. Thank
all
you.
right. Yep.
Yeah. All right, Damon Pope, good morning. Damon Pope, please unmute. Is Damon Pope here for trial? I heard a Polk. No, he said Polk, definitely said Polk. Damon Pope, you need to unmute and speak so that I know that you're with me. Otherwise, I'm going to remove you from the session.
The warrant was put out April 20th.
On Damon Pope. Mr. Pope, you need to unmute. You've got a warrant for not appearing for court 10 days ago. You need to unmute so we can deal with your matter. Remove the warrants, please. Set it for 3 weeks out. Thank you. And then send him a notice. Thank you.
Mr. Thompson, these are cases that were included in his community service.
Okay.
This one wasn't, it's from 2021.
Oh, thank you. All right, looks like this one was just missed somehow, Mr. Thompson, so I'll go ahead and call it. It'll get dismissed pursuant to the plea that you entered previously, okay? You need to unmute though. Thank you. Calling ticket number SP 122-58902, City versus Roland Thompson. Mr. Thompson, just state your name for the record, please.
Roland Thompson.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Thompson, I'm now dismissing this case pursuant to the plea that you already entered. You already got all your community service done. This should take care of everything, okay?
Okay, thank you. So this is
All
going
right.
in real time like yesterday, so I can go take care of it.
Well, here's what I'll tell you. We have people in this building who communicate directly with the Secretary of State. So we send it to them. How quickly they will communicate it to the Secretary of State, because they're kind of in between, right? Should take no more than a couple days. All right.
Okay.
Okay. It's supposed to happen in real time, but I don't want to make you promises that I'm not in control of. Okay. But as for now, this one is dismissed, so everything will be taken care of. All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Have a great day.
You too, thank you.
Uh-huh. Mr. Pope, good morning.
Good morning. Sorry about that. I don't know what happened.
That's okay. So you missed your court date 10 days ago on the 20th. And apparently a warrant went out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel the warrant. So you won't have a warrant. Then I'm going to give you a new date to come back. Okay. But I need you to be careful about recording the date. What do we have for Mr. Pope, Madam Clerk?
May 21 at 8:30, or do you want it sooner?
Yeah, we can do it sooner since he's here.
We'll do 2 weeks. I can file at May 14th at 8:30.
Okay. May 14th, 8:30 a.m. Okay.
May 14th, 8:30. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
I thought my court date was on the 30th.
Nope, but it's okay. No harm, no foul. We got you. Thanks for checking in today. We'll see you back. Okay.
May the what now?
What day?
14th.
Mr. Pope, this is not a good start to your May 14th date. It's not my job to remember, it's yours. May 14th, 8:30 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, see you then. Bye. Okay, Mr. Pletz, good morning. Your attorney is here. I'm going to get you into a breakout room so that he can come see you. Go ahead and join room 7. All right, ready on Raven Turan. Unnamed device coming in. Please cover sensitive eyes or ears. On the iPhone, unmute and give me a name, please. Good morning. Oh, the officer. What's your name?
Sergeant Easton, ma'am. I'm here on Rowan Prince.
Thank you.
Just to let you know, I also am in Fort in person at 4:35. Do you know who the prosecutor for this room is?
Ms. Horn, make sure you let her know before, I don't want to dismiss anything for an officer, but I'll forget. So just make sure that Ms. Horn knows.
Hey, how you doing?
Bring in room 1. Please go to room 1, Sergeant Easton. Please go to room 1. Mr. Pletz, I need you to go to the breakout room because the attorney is there to meet with you. I just moved him there, so you need to join. Mr. Pletz. This is not going to work. I know. Calling ticket number N239884, City versus Raven Turan. Ms. Turan, please state your name for the record.
Raven Turan.
Thank you. All right, looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to failure to display a valid license, which is a reduction. Is that correct?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today? Because there will not be a
Yes.
trial. Thank you.
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. Just need you to answer. I need an answer while your hand is
Yes.
raised, please. While your hand
Yes.
is raised, please. Thank you. Is it true that on March 24th of 2026, in the area of Strand and Woodside, that you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. The fine is $190. You have 60 days to get that paid or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. As long as you do one of those two things, your deal will remain in place, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You do the same.
All right. Attorney Ragnan, were you able to find Ms. Horn at all?
Oh, Your Honor, I have not been able to find her. I tried to
Okay.
call her and I'm sure
I just let her know. So she'll hopefully be here in a moment. I just sent her a text. She did acknowledge it, that we need her back.
didn't want to leave
Hopefully.
because I have too many other trials. Want us
Thank
to do
you.
yours first always.
Thank
Okay?
you. I appreciate it.
Thank
I'm
you.
sorry to keep you waiting while your
Oh,
other
it's
stuff
fine. My pleasure. I'm watching you work is good.
is. All right, we've got Janiah Thompson in 24 or 22. He's going to come see us about Janiah Thompson. So what do we got there? Yeah, because you said she's got tickets in default, so we probably need to send those over to Walling so he'll have them to review. That's probably why she's not done yet. Only had one officer check in on, oh no, Pinkard, 3. Here's Ms. Horn. Okay, Attorney Ragnan, we've got Ms. Horn coming in. Here she is. All right. Hey, Ms.
Thank you, Judge.
Morning, Miss
So she'll
Horn.
go back to room 2 to see you. Ms. Horn, before you leave me, on your Prince matter, officers Nelson and Trample and Richardson all checked in and wish to dismiss for no recollection.
Nelson,
Trample
let's see.
and Richardson.
Let me see. I'm just looking at Richardson and okay, Trample.
Yep, Nelson, Trample, Richardson.
Let's see. I'm trying to find Richardson. Looks like he might be buried in there. Okay, here we go.
It's a she,
No.
yep.
Okay, no recall. Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Are welcome. All right.
Okay, all right.
Okay, Attorney Ragnan, she'll come to you in room 2.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Uh-huh. All right, Mr. Pletz, I'm going to get you back into room, or did the attorney tell you to come out of the room?
No, I got disconnected.
Okay, I'm going to send you back into room 7.
All right.
Oh. All right, room 7. See if there's an offer on Pletz. Can you mute for a moment? One moment, please, Attorney Masaria. Okay. All right, Attorney Barton, I was just making sure that you knew you had an offer on Pletz to a 3-month delay. I'm sorry for moving you a couple times. I'm just reviewing the offer sheet while you're waiting.
No, I appreciate that. Can you tell me one more time? I'm sorry, Your Honor. It was hard to hear that.
On Pletz, the offer is a 3-month delay.
Got you. Got you. Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
And then what was your other one? The Thompson one? Is Thompson the other one that's here?
Yes, Dion Thompson, Your Honor. Dion.
Nope, that one we didn't have here. Who's the other one who is here? Pelt?
Pelt. Yes, Taylor Pelt. I just spoke to Dion Thompson. I walked him through the login process, so he should be logged in right now.
Okay, thank you. Let me just tell you if there's an offer on Pelt. On Pelt, the offer is to two improper plates and then a 3-month delay on the 3-month delayed on the allowing.
One more time. You said 2 improper.
Yes.
This is on Taylor
Pelt. Pelt.
Got it. You said 2
improper
impropers.
Plates.
And
yep. 3-month delay on the allowing.
Okay.
And reduction on the OWI to visibly impaired.
Okay.
Everything else being dismissed.
Got it. Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Officer Mahone, remind me which case you were here on again, please.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here on Prince. Somehow I got kicked out. I'm just signing back in.
All right, let me get you in there because I know city attorney is in there right now speaking with everybody. Yeah, room 1. Attorney Masseri, good morning. Which case are you here on today?
Good morning, Judge. James Toney. This is the one we adjourned with. He wasn't there. I'm not sure if he's checked in today.
Don't think so. This is one you haven't been in touch with since appointment?
No, I haven't been able to get in touch with him, Judge.
All right, thank you. We'll go ahead and the warrant will issue here.
Understood. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. That's on Tony, Madam Clerk. Thanks for checking in.
Of course.
Ms. Pelt, did Mr. Barton send you out? He just came out. Ms. Pelt?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Okay.
He did say that we were waiting to meet with you.
He's waiting for the city attorney, not for me, but I'm gonna put you back in because he's got your offer and your matter now from the city attorney. And
Gotcha.
so, and let him, oh, that's Attorney Johnson. Yeah, you have Attorney Barton already. So I'm gonna move you up to room 8. Attorney Barton is already dealing with your file. He'll come see you in just a second, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Uh-huh. Then we need to deal with Janaya. I guess he's in there dealing with her. Okay, so now I Corporal McCree, good morning. Putting you in breakout room number 1. See what to see.
Good
City
morning.
attorney.
Thank you.
Welcome. Room 1.
Hey, Marv. Yeah, sorry. I just
Okay. On Havina Turner, Attorney Johnson sent something saying set a bench trial. You got that? Okay. Thank you. Hey, Officer Purse, I'm going to get you into room 1. You may have missed the city attorney at this point, but I'm sending you to room 1. Please go ahead.
Thank you.
She's still
I'm
there.
sorry, I lost connection.
It's okay. It's okay. She's in there now. Go ahead to room 1. Mr. Pletz, you got kicked out of your room again, I take it?
Yeah, it froze up on me.
All right, sending you back to room 1. If you're using video and things are freezing, try turning your video off. Sometimes that helps. Go to room 7.
Okay.
Go ahead and hit for me, please. I think probably what we need to do with Mr. Patty is bring him out and appoint counsel. Do you have a way of doing that with the file at this point?
Appoint another counsel?
Or reappoint?
Yeah, I don't know how they do it.
Okay.
'Cause I don't know.
Who was appointed to him before?
Faulkner was appointed to him before, I think it was before the new system. So I don't know if they'll be appointed him again.
All right. Is there a way to request?
I don't know.
Hopefully it shows up in their system. Okay.
Yeah. I know it keeps track from when we started or out.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Patty, you with me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and have counsel appointed to you again, just like we did before. Because apparently some issues have come up. I don't know what they are, and I'm not the person that should be calling probation to find out. An attorney should be doing that on your behalf. So we're going to go ahead and make sure we still have all of your correct information. Give me just a minute. We're going to appoint an attorney, and I'm going to give you a date to come back for your review.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm told probation is going to log in, so give me just a minute. In the meantime, would you confirm Mr. Patty's information in case we need to appoint new counsel, please? Janiyah Thompson, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm okay. How are you?
I am good. All right. Did you just see Attorney Walling?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna need him. Let's see if I can find him. He may be out here with me.
Mr. Patty, does your phone number still end in 6505?
Yes, ma'am.
You called me, Your Honor.
I did. I just wanted to make sure that I had the correct plea on Ms. Thompson because you had improper license, but I think it's actually a failure to display an improper plate.
I'm good with that. That gives me much more clarity.
Okay, okay, good. Yep, that's what I'm actually, that's not even hers. Hold on a minute.
I see 4 tickets.
Yep, 1, 2.
Oh, I
3.
see what she did. Suspended
So-
license, she's knocking down to failure to display, and no insurance, she's making improper play. I see.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. But then as I come over, that failure to display is actually going with Xavier Thomas, and she's dismissing that first no operator's license for Janelle Thompson. Then she's dismissing the driver's license expired, the no insurance, she's asking for an improper plate.
And that leaves the license improper.
License improper, which I can't tell if there's a line drawn through that or
Yeah,
not.
I was going to ask her that. She's been very, very busy this morning.
I know.
And so I talked to my client.
The license, we ran the SOS and the license is suspended.
I believe it's revoked, Judge, according to your note.
Okay, thank you. Then that would be what it is. That's Madam Clerk doing her work for us. All right. So yeah, Ms. Horn's in room 2 now. Would you go get some clarification on Janiyah Thompson before I take her plea?
Sure.
Thank
But
you
I
so
have to
much.
wait for the other big shooters in front of me now.
Gotcha. But she is in room 2 now, so she's done with the
okay.
officers, which is okay.
Yeah.
Ms. Thompson, we'll be right back with you in just a minute.
Okay.
Good morning, Officer Bumpus.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
All right. What I have is that Madam Clerk informs me that you think Mr. Patty needs to consult with counsel before I do the probation review. And I am wondering about that. Are you guys possibly suggesting revocation of probation and jail time?
No, Your Honor. It's just that he hasn't been able to pay any of the fines and costs. And we wanted to recommend additional community service, but he hasn't gotten started with the 10 days that was initially ordered. I do understand he's been in outpatient treatment intensive, but we just wanted counsel to maybe be able to recommend the court make some adjustments as far as
Fines
those
and
things.
costs.
Yes.
Okay.
But
All
we
right.
can go forth. I'm comfortable.
Okay. All right. So we can do that. I don't mind doing that, converting to fines and costs. Give me just a minute. Attorney Barton. Attorney Barton. Is he here? He may be in the building.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm stepping into the quiet. So,
I can't hear you. Are you ready on any of your matters?
yes.
All right, let me try to bring them out then.
Can you
and we'll
hear
just-
me?
I can, yes. What are we doing with Plex? Setting bench trial?
Plex is just a pre-trial.
Okay, I see set
It's
bench
labeled in
trial
there.
next. Are you in the building?
I'm not, Your Honor. I'm sorry. But no,
Okay,
it's labeled in there. Oh, I'm sorry to cut you off. My apologies.
Go ahead.
I was going to say I labeled both parties. One is just a pre-trial because we're just going to request discovery and come back, and the other is for the bench trial. And
All
Mr.
right.
Thompson hasn't checked in for whatever reason. I don't.
Want to do them? Are you available on May 21st? We can set them both for that time.
Moment, Your Honor. Thank you. May 21st. Yes, that would work, Your Honor. May 21st would work.
Okay, so on Mr. Pletz, Madam Clerk, on David Pletz. Mr. Pletz, go ahead and turn your camera on, please, so I know you can hear me. Okay, so Mr. Pletz, we're gonna give you a trial date of May 21st at 9:30 a.m.
Okay.
And then did you speak with Ms. Pelt, Attorney Barton?
I did, Your Honor.
Okay,
And what-
Mr. Pletz, we'll see you back then on May 21st, okay?
All right, that sounds good. Thank you.
Have a good day. Okay, and then I'm trying to bring your other client out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And that'll be the same time, May 21st at 9:15 a.m. for her pretrial, okay?
Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor.
Got that, Madam Clerk? Okay, thank you.
All right. I'll notify her as well. All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Hey, Ragnar, how are you? Give me just a second. I'll be right with you. All right. Calling ticket number Z8096441, City versus Diptero Patty. Mr. Patty, state your name for the record, please.
I'm DePietro, Patty.
Petro Patty. Thank you. One moment, please. Ms. Pelt, your attorney has requested a new date so that he can get discovery. We're going to bring you back May 21st at 9:15 a.m., okay?
Yes, May 21st.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Taylor
You too.
Pelt, May 21st. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, Officer Bumpus, your name for the record, please.
Yes, for the record, Your Honor, Lori Bumpus on behalf of probation.
Thank you. We're here for review today. It sounds like Mr. Patty is doing well with his outpatient treatment. Sounds like he's attending, but that there's an issue with his ability to pay fines and costs. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. He did successfully complete his outpatient treatment since our last review. He completed it on February 13th, 2026 at Care First. He is testing the schedule. He hasn't missed any tests, no positive tests. He's testing 3 times a month. However, Your Honor, he still has numerous outstanding conditions that he needs to work on. He still has the alcohol, highway safety, level 2 driver improvement, the victims impact panel, 10 days of community service, and at this time he owes $1,490 in fines and costs. The probation department is going to request that the $360 that he was assessed in drug screening fees be waived. He is testing it at an outside agency, so the $360 can be waived, Your Honor, at this time. We wanted Mr. Patty to go ahead and get started with his community service. And if the court was willing, if he was willing to do additional community service in lieu of some of the fines and costs, we would recommend that, but he hasn't started with the 10 days.
Okay, thank you. All right, Mr. Patty. So it sounds like you owe quite a bit of money. Would you like me to convert what I can to service and waive those testing fees?
Yes.
Okay, and so where does that leave us, Ms. Bumpus, if I remove the $360 from the drug testing fees? Where does that leave us in terms of his community service?
Okay, so that would be 1,130.
$1,130 minus $360?
80. So we would be around 85 hours of community service.
What do you, I just give me the amount and I'll convert it.
So the 1490 minus the 360 is 1,130.
Okay.
That would be his balance after that. And so 13.3 times
730 is the balance, you said?
Yes, 13.
I'm gonna give him a little bit of a higher rate so that he's not with us forever because he's right. So what I'll do is I'll do 56 hours of community service here.
Okay.
Okay, and then we'll waive those testing fees. And then you'll let us know when we need to set for review.
Yes, Judge. I'm wondering maybe a 6-month adjournment.
All right, so we can set it for October 27th at 8:30 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
October 27th, 8:30 a.m., Mr. Patty. And so instead of appointing attorney, we'll just go ahead and do those things for you. So now you don't have to pay the testing fees. We'll waive those. You can add to your community service to take care of the other fines and costs, okay? But
Thank you.
I need you to get started so that you're not back here in 90 days. You're working hard at your treatment. I don't want to end up with a non-successful discharge from probation when you're working so hard. So let's get the community service started, get it done, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good job so far. Keep doing what you're doing. Let's get the community service done. We'll see you back in October. Have a good day.
Thank you so much, Judge. Have a
Thank
good
you.
day to you and your staff.
Okay, thank you. All right, bye-bye. Phone
I
number
have
ending in
info for you, Judge, on Miss Thompson.
What's the update?
Improper plate only.
Okay, there we go then. Very good. All right, that's a better deal, Ms. Thompson. You got one charge that you're pleading to. Phone number ending in 9770. You were just admitted. I need a name, please. I have the Janiyah Thompson file.
Rolanda Polk.
Thank you. You are just in time. Are you here for trial today?
I'm not
You are
sure.
very close to having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 almost warrants issued for you today because you're an hour late for court and there are officers hearing your matter. So you need to make sure you're on time. I don't want to have to do that. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No.
Okay, I'm going to get you into a breakout room, okay, so you can speak with an attorney before I hear your matter. There are officers here in your file, at least in your case, at least one. You're going to room 9, hit join. Okay, all right, Janiyah Thompson. Janiyah Thompson, let's get you unmuted. Camera on, please. Uh-oh, sorry, Walling. I just got in the file in my hand. She's got from 2025, several in default, including a passing on the left, which I do believe may have points.
I'm sure it does.
Do you want to see if Ms. Horn will do anything on that one? Because I didn't see it. It's in default, so it's not listed on the docket.
Is that the only one in default?
Oh, she's on that same ticket. She's got registration and expired plates.
Registration, expired plate, and passing on the left.
Yep, so that passing on the left
That's
is
from
still new enough
25?
that I can address it. What'd you say?
That's from 2025?
June of 2025, so we're still within the window.
Okay.
Ms. Thompson, you've got a ticket on your license that's putting points on there right now. Mr. Walling's going to go see if he can get the city attorney to do anything with it, okay?
Okay.
Thanks. All right, on Pinkard, good morning. Can I have the Pinkard file, please, Madam Clerk?
Good morning.
Good morning. Let me see if I can move our officers out here on Pinkard. Okay. Calling ticket number, uh-oh, she's got defaults too. Let's see what they are. Hold on one second. Attorney Johnson. All right, none of these are points. Okay. Calling ticket number P1873685, City versus Zakia Pinkard, Council. Or
Rodney
Zakiah.
Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf and with my client who is appearing via Zoom. Ma'am, state your full name for the record.
Zakia Pinkard.
Your Honor, today is date and time for a trial and formal hearing and a number of tickets, I believe 26 altogether. My client has been advised of her rights. She's going to waive her rights to a trial or formal hearing today and ask that the following plea is adopted from the Assistant Corporation Counsel. She'll plead as follows. Ticket ending in 6851. Failure to display a valid license.
Okay.
Ticket ending in 678, count 2. A plea of improper plates.
Sorry, give me just a minute. I've got to go through all the tickets.
Okay. That one is
678.
yep, 678.
Here we go.
Okay.
Count 2. That one's going to be what?
Improper plates. The other 2 matters dismissed.
Okay.
Next is a ticket that is 69920, count 1.
699. There we go.
All
Count
right.
1 on that one is what?
Improper plates.
Okay.
Dismiss count 2. Next ticket is 90568, count 1.
0568. No, I just saw that one. There it is. Count 1. What are we doing? Count 1.
It's going to be a plea as charged, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, but taken under a 3-month delayed sentence.
Okay.
All remaining matters on that ticket dismiss. Next ticket,
Okay.
87872, count 1.
878.
8787. Yep, 8787. 2.
Okay. Sorry, it's getting there. There we go. Okay. What are we doing there?
That's going to be a plea to failure to display.
Okay.
The next ticket is 86012, count 2.
860. Ah. All right. Tell me what's that ticket number again?
Let's repeat the whole thing. 1586012.
86012. There we go. Okay. Thank you. There. That one is, what are we doing here?
Count 2 is going to be improper plates.
Okay.
Okay.
Count
next,
1. What are we doing? Count 1.
Dismiss.
Thank you.
All
Okay.
right. The next ticket in question is the complete ticket is 181022.
Okay. Got that one. What are we
All
doing
right.
there?
We're gonna do on the count 2, we're gonna do an allowing unlicensed driver to drive.
Okay. And on count 1?
Dismiss.
Okay.
The last ticket in question for the plea, 1873663.
And what are we doing there?
Okay, on that one, it's going to be a plea responsible to count 1 of limited access 6 to 10 over. That carries
Okay.
1 point.
Okay.
The remaining matter on that ticket will be dismissed.
Okay.
All other tickets, which should be 18, will be part of the plea for dismissal.
Okay. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Please.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so she's pulling things out of default as well and dismissing. If there's 8 dismissed, that would include a default from 2024 at least.
Well, on the docket, and it was already, I thought it was 26 tickets on the docket.
Okay, all right, we'll take care of it. All right, these are still within the time. So, all right. That'll leave her with a 23 from a 2023 default with it from expired plates that I can't do anything with, but these others, well, there's a 2022 that I can't, but we'll sort through it. Okay, so 18 matters dismissed. All right, I'm going to take the Janiyah Thompson plea quickly, and then I'll come back on Pinker in just a moment. Ms. Thompson, go ahead and unmute, turn your camera on. Calling ticket number P113736, City versus Janiyah Thompson. Ms. Thompson, oh, no, he was going to come back with your offer on the passing on the left. Sorry, getting ahead of myself. Okay, so back on the Pinkard matter. Officers, would you please state your name on the Pinkard matter?
Sergeant Lord, badge S1221.
Thank you. All right. And do I have another officer out here on that one? Okay. All right. Ms. Pinkard, you've heard the terms of the plea just described in detail. You're pleading to 8 things. 18 are being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding? Go ahead and unmute for me.
Yes.
I promise you anything that I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today?
Can you repeat that?
Did anyone promise you anything that has not been discussed before me today to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today, everything you are going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Attorney Johnson, on the ticket ending in 0220, that's the one that we're amending to allowing, that is not a delayed sentence, correct?
Correct.
Okay, thank you. All right. Okay, Ms. Pinkard, once again, just in case I missed it, raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. Just need you to answer, please.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true that on February 26th of 2026 in the area of Tyerman and Mansfield that you were going at least 6 miles per hour over the posted speed limit?
Yes.
Is it also true that on October 14th of 2025 in the area of Livernois and Puritan, you were operating a vehicle, you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it also true that on May 23rd of 2024 in the area of Livernois and Finkel, you operated a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Is it also true that on August 8th of 2023 in the area of Wyoming and Westfield, you were driving a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Bragman, come on up to the stand so I know you're there. Come on up. Thank you. Is it also true, ma'am, that on April 22nd of 2021 in the area of West Outer Drive and West McNichols that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate the vehicle even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it also true that on March 9th of 2020 in the area of West Chicago and Manor that you operated a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. And is it true that on April 22nd of 2021 at West Outer Drive and West McNichols, we already did that one, sorry. Is it also true that on September 9th of 2019 in the area of Livernois and Northfield that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle you were operating?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, and then finally, is it true that on February 26th of 2026, in the area of westbound Tireman and Mansfield, you operated a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Counsel, satisfied as to all those factual bases?
Defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. For the record, everything else on the docket today is dismissed. Ms. Pinker, you're going to have quite a few fines to pay. Do you want to try to convert this to community service? Or do you want to just get on a long-term payment plan with the cashiers or whatever?
The payment plan.
Okay, all right, so you'll be able to see the total by tomorrow, okay? What I'm gonna do on this is I'm giving you 90 days. Within the 90 days, you don't have to pay off all the tickets, but you do have to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor, and they're gonna want some money from you to do that. So you should go see them sooner rather than later, so you know exactly how much they want for a down payment. You got to give them the down payment within the 90 days to keep all of this in place, okay?
Okay.
Right. One of your sentences is a delayed sentence, so when you're prioritizing payment of your tickets, you should prioritize the delayed sentence first. You should try to get that one paid off in the 90 days. Everything else, just give them the down payment within the 90 days, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to give you a date to come back and see me in 90 days so that we can just double check and make sure that you're on track. Clerk, can I have the 90-day date, please? July 29th, 8:30 a.m. You come back and see me. We'll just make sure that you've got everything on track in terms of your payment plan and getting this delayed sentence paid, okay?
You said 8:30?
8:30 a.m.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you back then. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Okay, Attorney Ragland, can I have the DeAndre Turner file, please? Where did he go? He did. And do you have a number for him? You want to call him and see if, tell him come on back. What's he pleading to?
He's being the charge of being a part of my captain.
Okay, yep, I need him here to do that one. He's got to come back. Thank you. Sorry, I kept you waiting. Okay. All right, Attorney Johnson, let's see. You got Rolanda Polk, it looks like. My phone was just going crazy over here. Coming back in? Okay.
Yes.
I think this is him. On Zoom user, please unmute. Are you DeAndre Turner?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Calling ticket number P1810332, City versus DeAndre Turner. Council, good morning. Good to see you as always. Your appearance, please.
It's such a pleasure to be in your courtroom again. Samuel A. Ragnar, P23-157 on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Turner, would you state your full name, please?
Yes, DeAndre Turner.
Thank you. And what are we doing, Mr. Ragnar?
Your Honor, the defendant is, after working this out with Ms. Horn, is going to plead guilty to being in a park after it's been closed. But after 3 months, the case will be dismissed if he has no further problems. And he has insurance also, so that'll be dismissed.
Okay, great. Thank you. All right. The no insurance, he actually already paid, so it's not even open anymore.
Oh, that's why.
So I can't dismiss it. Yep. All right. And then Mr. Turner, I need you to turn on your camera, please, so I can take your plea. So you're going to be pleading guilty under 3-month delayed sentence. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
Did anybody promise you anything else? Get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on October 12th of 2025 in the area of West Jefferson and Rademacher, that you were in a city park after posted closing hours?
Yes.
Thank you. The fine is $190. You have 90 days to get it paid. As long as you pay it, don't get any similar tickets. We'll pull this up and dismiss it in 90 days. If something out of the ordinary happens, then you need to come back and see me in 90 days. And that would be, Madam Clerk, our 90-day date.
July 29th.
July 29th at 8:30 in the morning. If you don't get this paid off or you pick up a similar ticket, you got to come back and see me then, okay? All right. Have a good day, sir. Thank you, Attorney Ragnar.
Good luck, Mr. Turner. Thank you very
All
much,
right.
Your Honor.
All right. How you been?
Mr. Tompkins, thank you. I've been great.
Okay. You're hustling. You're working. I know. I see you a lot.
And
which
I'm
is great.
enjoying it.
Okay, good. Good, good.
I enjoy coming here.
Thank you. I love when you're here. All right, let's see what we've got going on. We've got Attorney Johnson in, and then we've got I'm watching the city attorney on my screen, Ms. Thompson. So as soon as she's available, I'm going to grab her and see what's going on here.
I can't hear if anyone's speaking.
Sorry, did anyone
Okay.
talk to you about Janiyah Thompson? She's been waiting for quite a while. You made her an offer to improper plates, which is great. She has a 2025 passing on the left, registration and expired plates also, that I think Attorney Walling was going to try to talk to you about, but he looks to be caught up in one of the trial rooms. So I just wanted to see if he had spoken with you about it.
Yes, Your Honor, we did speak about it, limited access 1 to 5 on that one, and in addition to the plea that's on the docket.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Okay, thank
Perfect.
you, Your Honor. Mhm.
Okay, thank you.
I
Okay,
can sit
so
here.
Ms.
I'm just writing up that the 65er.
Okay, thanks. Ms. Thompson, go ahead and unmute, turn your camera on. Okay, so they're offering to reduce that passing on left to a no points ticket, 1 to 5 limited access. Do you want to do that?
Yeah, what's that?
It just means you're saying you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the
Oh,
speed limit.
okay.
But it's just a way of getting you a reduced charge so that you're not getting points on your license, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now calling tickets number P1137346 and P1738445 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Janiyah Thompson. Ms. Thompson, state your name for the record, please.
Janiyah Thompson.
Thank you. Okay, Ms. Thompson, you are going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of improper plate and then also admitting to 1 to 5 over limited access, which is the 0 point ticket. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. You can put your hand down. Is it true that on January 17th of 2021 in the area of Rosa Parks and Tyler Street, you were operating a vehicle without a valid license on person, which we are reducing to improper plates?
Yes.
Thank you. And then you are admitting to the 1 to 5 over limited access on June 5th, 2025 at Mack and Fisher. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. On the 1 to 5 over, that's $125. And on the improper plates, that's $190. Okay. On the 2 of those, you're going to have 60 days to either get them paid or see the cashiers for a longer term payment. Please get them the down payment in the 60 days and your deal will remain in place. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Make sure you hydrate, Your Honor. We're ready on Mr. Prince.
All right. Thank you. Let's see. I actually had a bottle of water and thank you for the reminder. I am going to do that.
And if we could just hold for a second, I'm typing up the offer so that the clerk can have a map for later in case needed.
Sure, on Prince. And then we can go ahead and do Ms. Polk though in the meantime.
We're ready on Polk.
All right, thank you. Calling ticket number P1259791 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Rolanda Polk. Actually, let's get these officers out here now. Is that all of our cases today? I'll just close the breakout room. Okay, Attorney Johnson, your appearance, please.
Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf and with Ms. Polk, who's appearing via phone, I do believe, Your Honor. State your full name for the record, Ms. Polk.
Rolanda Polk.
Thank you. All right, officer room. Oh, that's on Prince. I need more officers out here. Okay. All right. What's our plea resolution, Attorney Johnson?
Ms. Polk was advised of her rights. She's going to waive those rights to a trial today of any kind and ask that the following plea is adopted from the Assistant Corporation Counsel. Ticket ending in 791, count 1 will be a plea to failure to display a valid license.
Okay.
Ticket ending in 929, count 1 will be a plea to improper plates.
Okay.
All remaining tickets, 8 in total on the docket, will be dismissed That's
All
part of
right. All right, thank you. Officers on Polk, please unmute. When I call your name, please state your name for the record. Sergeant Buffington, please state your name for the record. Officer Rodriguez, please state your name for the record.
Officer Jamie Rodriguez.
Thank you. For the record, Sergeant Buffington does appear to be here in the main session, but not responding at this time. All right. Ms. Polk, so you're pleading to two things, everything else being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that on September 28th of 2022 in the area of Central and John Crunk, you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance when Officer Rodriguez encountered you?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it also true that on December 7th of 2021 in the area of East 7 Mile and Cardoni that you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer, Sergeant Buffington, upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. On your, each of these is $190 fine. You have 60 days. Within the 60 days, get them paid in full or see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse for a longer term payment plan if you need one. They can give you a longer term payment plan. You just need to give them your down payment for the payment plan within the 60 days to keep your deal intact. And for the record, as part of your deal today, all other charges on today's docket are dismissed pursuant to the plea. Have a good day, Ms. Polk. Thank you, officers.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Have a good day.
Officer Sarkissian.
Hello, ma'am.
Good morning. On DeAndre Turner, I'm going to recall that case so that you can place your name on the record. He did accept the offer to the 3-month delay, and that is ticket number SP 181-03321. Please state your name for the record, Officer Sarkissian.
Officer Max Sarkeesian.
Thank you, Sarkeesian. Thank you very much. You are recorded as present for the case. Thank you very much for your appearance.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Let me know if you got the Prince matter, and then we'll get that one done. She was sending an email. Whenever you have it, we'll get on record with that one. Attorney Walling, if you could help me just, if you know which tickets we're taking pleas on, I can pull those out while we're waiting for the email. If you don't, it's okay. You're waiting for the email.
I put them down by the officer's name, and if you follow along in the docket, we'll carry on.
Okay, so we've got Romano, Stevens, Bennett.
Let's get to Mr. Prince. Okay.
That's what I'm doing. So you just said you had them by officer's name, so I'm naming the officers on the Prince matter.
Follow your docket today, Judge.
Okay,
Do you
just go
see
right
your
down the
docket?
docket.
All right. So the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are all going to be dismissed, starting with Officer Dara.
Okay, so.
Your Honor, if I may be released, if I'm all set.
Yes, thank you for all your work, Attorney Johnson.
All right, thank you. Take care, everybody.
Thank you. All right, so my first one on Prince is Huertas.
But the first one we're starting at is Dara. I believe those first tickets are not here.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. So now on Dara.
Dara is pleading to one count on that case to One count of FTD, the other one dismissed.
Okay.
All
right.
of Officer Nelson's tickets, which follow that, are to be dismissed, no recollection.
Those will be with prejudice. Okay.
Then, going down to Officer Hayes, my client will be pleading to one count of improper plate and the rest to be dismissed.
On Hayes, we've got an improper plate, dismiss registration, dismiss license suspended.
Then to Officer Kakish, one count of improper plate, that's from the no registration, and the rest to be dismissed.
Okay.
Then the one from Officer Ayala, failure to display.
Okay.
Then off comes Officer Spidell, one count of improper plate, and dismiss the rest.
On Spidell?
On Spidell.
Okay. Spidell checked in, I take it? Okay, yeah, he did. Yep. Okay. And okay, we've got the improper plates. Okay.
Officer Purse case is being amended to allowing.
Okay.
The next two are to be dismissed. I don't believe Officer Goodman's here. Next, going down to Officer Stevens, that's two is being amended to allowing. Ooh.
Okay.
Then I believe Officer Tariff is not here, and so we're going down to Officer Bennett.
What are we doing on that next Hayes one after your Stevens ticket?
Hayes was an improper plate and the rest to be dismissed. That's all part of the Hayes that we discussed earlier.
Okay, I understand, but dismiss this one as well. Okay,
Yes,
very good.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Part of that earlier. All right.
Okay.
So that makes us the next two. I don't believe an officer's here, so we're now at Officer Bennett. That's one count of improper plate as charged, and the other matters to be dismissed.
Oh boy. Okay, hold on.
Yeah. My turn to hydrate.
I have it now.
You have the email? Okay, if you print it and give it to me, please. Thank you. Okay, so then on Bennett's, we've got an improper plate and then
As charged, and the rest are dismissed. Then there's that blank spot. That's Officer Mahome. Officer Mahome came in, and he's my client is pleading to one count of improper plate and the rest dismissed.
Okay.
Oh, then we get to Garcia. Garcia apparently is not here. Richardson, Your Honor, it was to dismiss all of his.
Yeah, that's no recall. Okay.
Right.
Hers.
I'm assuming rules the same. We go down to now Tramble.
And as part of the plea, I'm going to dismiss corporal rules.
Yeah, because he. Okay.
Yep. Thank you, Judge.
And Majewski, are those to be dismissed also, Ms. Horn?
Yes, I don't think Majewski's checked in.
Tramble, Your Honor, is also a dismissal. Although he was here. Delzecchio, Your Honor.
It's with prejudice. That's no recollection. On Majewski, he did check in person, Madam Ms. Horn. Apparently, Madam Clerk says he checked in person.
Okay, so improper plate on the no insurance misdemeanor. And then yes.
So you're amending the offer, which means Mr. Walling's going to need to go back in with him. Are you adding a charge there?
But in lieu of the fact that Delzacchio, I heard, had no recall.
I'm just saying we need Mr. Walling, if you're amending the offer, to add an additional charge. Mr. Walling's going to need to go back in with Mr. Prince. That's all I'm saying. Because now he's got an additional charge that he's pleading to, and he needs to be advised of exactly what he's pleading to.
Did someone say Delzacchio had no recall, or it was just Tramble?
No, it was Richardson, Tramble, and Nelson who had no recall. For sure,
Okay,
I know. They had no recall.
Delzecchio's pleading to one improper plate.
So we're gonna take
Okay.
off the Majewski. Yeah, leave that alone. We'll leave that as, I know he checked in person, but I thought someone said Delzacchio didn't recall. Sorry.
No, that one we're pleading to improper plate.
Yep, got it.
So, okay, so we'll do Majewski per plea so that he's not penalized because he was here.
Yes,
Then we've
thank you, Your
got
Honor.
Tramble with prejudice, no recollection. We've got another Jeremy Rule ticket here after the Tramble ticket. You were doing those dismissals per plea.
Correct.
On his earlier matters. You want to do that one per plea as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And then I have two blank spots between Rule and Delzocchio. I'm
That
assuming
was-
they're ruled as well.
I'm
I
not
don't
sure who
know.
it was. 'Cause
That
it
wasn't
doesn't.
that wasn't Mahone, was it? Is that
No, it was not to my
Okay.
knowledge.
okay?
No, we dealt with the tickets.
Okay. Will you
We
join
can
me in a
dismiss-
I don't know.
If you want to dismiss those per the plea, since we don't know who that officer is, we can, Ms. Warren. I just don't know if you've had anyone appear on those tickets.
Yep, the people will move for dismissal on those.
Okay. And then we've got Delzocchio. So now we've got Delzocchio's tickets. What
All
are we
right.
doing there?
He's going to plead as charged to the improper plate. The rest are going to be dismissed.
Okay.
Romano is pleading on Romano's case. He's pleading to improper plate. And the transporting marijuana, my client will be pleading as charged on that one as a 3-month delayed sentence. Now, once we get down to that, I would like to make a brief statement to the court before sentencing. It
That's
affects
fine.
all of them, but with the hook might be the transporting of the marijuana.
Okay, so I've got a 3-month delay on the marijuana transport for Officer Eason. Is there anything as to the other two tickets right here with Officer Eason? Because you told me to go to the docket, so I'm working my way down the docket.
My understanding is everything else was to be dismissed.
Okay. All right. All right. Then I have RAP, RAAP is the officer on the next.
I don't think he's I don't believe he's a show. Same
that's a
with
without.
Alexis Adams.
Okay, that's a without prejudice. All right. And then what about Hollis, Eric Hollis?
Same issue, no police officer.
Okay, so that'll be a without. And then I've got, we have a few on Spidell that we skipped right in the middle.
Right. Those were all to be dismissed because he's pleading to the prior improper plate. So on all of Spidell's case, one improper plate, everything else is dismissed.
All right. And did we address Spidell's earlier? No.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Spidell has a single one, two actually, on the top of page 5, and then we don't see Spidell again to the bottom of page 5.
Thank you. So these Spidells are being dismissed pursuant to the plea.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
He's all
I think
yours,
we're
Judge.
ready.
He has been advised of his rights.
All right. Thank you. Now let me try to get these tickets in order so that we can deal with them. Give me one moment.
And Mr. Walling, if you could stipulate to probable cause for the all dismissals.
Absolutely. If you want it at this time, I'll stipulate to the dismissals. If you want it, as you call them, Judge, I will do that at your pleasure.
All right. Give me just a moment, guys. I have a lot of ROAs here. This is going to take a minute.
All right. I'm going to take 5.
That's fine. Okay, guys. 5 minutes. We're back on the record. Everybody can take a bathroom break or whatever you need to. See you back in 5.
EBS. What's going on, Jason?
Okay, guys, we'll get going.
Or no recall.
Okay,
And these are no.
okay, thank you. Okay, one more time, please. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's
Please,
at the
oh, you
top.
did it. Okay, thank you. All right. Madam Clerk has me nice and organized. All right, Mr. Prince, we're gonna go ahead and call your matters. Calling ticket number P1164941 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Attorney Walling, your appearance, please.
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Philip X. Walling, P35229, representing Ray John Prince. State your name there, Mr. Prince.
Ray John Prince.
Thank you. Okay, and Ms. Horn, I see you're with us now. Go ahead and place your appearance on the record, please. She's muted.
Ready, Your
Ms.
Honor.
Horn,
Thank you.
yeah,
Tamika
your
Horn
appearance, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Thank you. Officers that are still with me, Officers Romano and Officer Stevens, let's go ahead and get you unmuted. Officer Romano, please state your name for the record.
Officer Romano, badge 3685.
Thank you. Officer Stevens, your name for the record, please.
Officer Stevens, badge 4125.
Thank you. Corporal Bennett, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Corporal Dale Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. All right. Now, Mr. Prince, you heard us discussing your plea offer. It was kind of complicated. Did you understand everything that was said?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And did anyone, is that what you understood would be happening today?
Yes.
And did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Everything's going to be the truth.
Thank you. You can put your hand down.
Okay.
All right. Now I still got to compare my tickets. Okay. Let me go to Dara's tickets. Okay. Is it true, sir, that on February 23rd of 2021, in the area of Joy Road and Southfield, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to Officer Dara upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. One moment, please. Okay. Now, is it true that on October 24th of 2021, in the area of Dover and Greenview, that you operated a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you.
Was that the Ricky Hayes case, Your Honor?
That is Officer Hayes.
Okay, thank you.
Huh? Now, as to Officer Kakish's ticket, is it true, sir, that on October 31st of 2021, in the area of Greenview and Van Buren, that you operated a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of registration?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. As to Officer Ayala's ticket, is it true, sir, that on January 20th of 2022, in the area of Grand River and Mark Twain, that you operated a vehicle and could not display a valid license to Officer Ayala upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. As to Officer Corporal Spadel's tickets, is it true, sir, that on February 18th of 2022, in the area of Livernois and Chicago, that you operated a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you.
That's what
Is it now, as to Officer Purse's ticket, is it true that on March 19th of 2022, in the area of Joy Road and Grand River, that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
Thank you. As to Officer Stevens' tickets, is it true that on February 10th of 2023, in the area of Cambridge and Coyle, you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
As to Corporal Bennett's tickets, is it true, sir, that on July 28th of 2023, at Evergreen and Joy
Yes, I definitely remember that one.
operated a vehicle without proper plates on it?
Yes, I remember that one for sure.
Mr. Thompson, you'll need to wait a moment.
Okay, thank you.
Hmm. Okay. As to Officer Mahone's ticket, is it true, sir, that on October 13th of 2023 in the area of West McNichols and Trinity that you operated a vehicle without proper plates?
Yes.
As to Officer Richardson's tickets, wasn't Richardson a dismissal for no recall?
Yes. All three of them, yes.
Thank you. As to Officer Dalzocchio's ticket, is it true, sir, that on November 8th of 2024, in the area of, sorry, I got it, it's 7 Mile in Edenboro, that you were operating a vehicle without proper plates?
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me, before you get too far ahead, Judge, you missed the one written by Officer Trammell.
Okay, I'll get, Tramble was a dismissal for no
Correct.
recall.
Correct.
Okay, I'm not just yet.
Okay.
And then I've got Officer Romano's tickets. Sir, is it true that on December 16th of 2024 in the area of Grand River and Sorrento that you were operating a vehicle while your license was suspended, which we are reducing to improper plates?
Okay, yes.
Okay. Okay. And then I have Officer Eason's tickets, which I know you wanted to address, Attorney Walling. I've got the 3-month delay on that one. Are you okay with me proceeding with the 3-month delay plea there?
Yes.
Mr. Prince, is it true that on March 27th of 2025 in the area of Whitcomb and Clarita that you were improperly transporting a portion of usable marijuana?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Just a second here. All right. Now, that takes care of everything I had in front of me, I think, in terms of pleas. Is that consistent with everyone else's understanding?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Good job. Thank you so much.
Good. All right. Now we're going to deal with the tickets that are being dismissed with prejudice for no recollection. Those tickets belonging to Officers Nelson or per the plea. I'm sorry, no recall or per the plea. Those are Nelson, Riley, Rule, Majewski, Tramble, Corporal Rule and Spidell's other tickets per the plea, Hayes's other tickets per the plea, Mahone has some others per the plea. Delzocchio's had some others per the plea. All right. So those tickets and Richardson. So those are being dismissed either for no recall or pursuant to the plea. So dismissed with prejudice. Okay. Then I have a number of tickets being dismissed without prejudice for the officer's failure to appear. Those belonging to officers Huertas, Lamas, Townsville, Bacarouche, Goodman, Tariff, Garcia, Brown, and Rapp, R-A-A-P, and Hollis. And sorry, one more. Alexis Adams. All of these being dismissed for no officer present. Is that correct?
That is correct, but on Ms. Horn's list, there was also Officer Allen and Majewski. I'm working for Ms. Horn's list.
Mm-hmm. So Majewski, I thought I read.
He appeared in person.
Yeah.
That was just pursuant to the plea. Is that correct?
Correct. He appeared in person, Your Honor. It's my understanding.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so
he's
yes.
plea.
Okay.
Could you make like it's in? Make sure we deal with that one. Okay. All right. Mr. Prince, you've got a number of fines that you're going to have to pay. Quite a few. All right. And so you can pay them in full, or you can get on a payment plan with the cashier on the first floor. They can stretch it out for you for quite a while. Okay. But they're going to want a down payment.
Okay.
And that down payment with the number of tickets you have could be sizable. So I'm giving you 90 days. I would suggest that you go see those cashiers in a couple of days, give them a couple of days to get everything updated. And if you're going to want a long-term payment plan, go see them so that you can save up that down payment over the 90 days, because this is a deal you don't want to lose. You got a lot of stuff to dismiss. Okay. All right. So go see the cashiers in a couple of days, see how much they're going to want down so you can work on getting that saved up. You can pay them the down payment on day 88, 89. I don't care. Just get it started within the 90 days and your deal remains intact. Okay. All right.
And Your Honor, just for the record, before everyone leaves, just for the record, Mr. Walling, are you stipulating to probable cause for the dismissals?
Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Attorney Horn.
Now,
Thank you.
I had a thought, and I don't know if this is correct or not. Let's assume on any of these tickets, Mr. Prince comes in with $100 or something like that. If they are required to take his money and put it on some ticket, my thought process is, let's have a review on these in 3 months, your 90 days, have him pay as much as he can between now and then on the transporting of the marijuana ticket and others, and then figure out the delayed set or the payment plan since then. He might get a couple of these banged out of the way before he even
That's
thinks
fine
about
with me.
it.
So we can try to keep him on track and make sure that if you don't get it all saved up, we can reset it. Because what's going to happen is if it doesn't get paid and a warrant gets attached and they won't let you pay it and it turns into a mess. So I think that's a great idea, Attorney Walling. Let's bring him back in 90 days. Okay. What's our 90-day date, Madam Clerk?
So schedule a review for all of the ones he cleared on.
Yeah.
90 days.
Yeah.
July 29.
Okay. All right. July 29th at 8:30 a.m.
Now, Mr. Prince, it's my recommendation, because of how we're doing this, you pay the marijuana ticket first.
Okay.
That's on the 3-month delay.
Okay.
And bang out as many of these as you can in the interim.
Okay. I can definitely do that.
All right. We'll
Save
see
all
you back.
receipts, sir. Save all receipts.
Yes.
Okay.
Please do. Okay, please do. All right, thank you all. Thank you.
You said July 29th, right?
Yeah,
Okay. At what time?
8:30 a.m.
Okay.
All right.
We're going to call it a review, are we?
Yeah, we're just gonna call it a review. Because
Very good.
that'll work for the delayed sentence anyway, so we'll make sure that we're reviewing them all, but it'd be good to review the delayed sentence, okay? All right, thank you so much for all of your work, Attorney Walling, Attorney Horn.
Take us off live and leave us on.
Yeah, just a minute. Okay.
Thank you, Your
Dion
Honor.
Thompson. Thank you, Ms. Horn. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you all. Dion Thompson, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
So your attorney was here earlier, Attorney Barton, correct?
Yes,
And he said he was trying to reach you hours ago to get you to log in,
he did.
and he's gone now and court's over now. That was our last case of the day. However, he has some cases scheduled to come back on. And so I'm going to give you that date to come back.
Ma'am, Your Honor, when he contacted me immediately, and I logged in, and I've been on hold for like an hour or so. I'm telling you,
I don't know how that happened, Mr. Thompson, because I've been sitting right here staring at my screen the entire time. I haven't stopped working since 8:45 this morning.
Okay, then look at the imaginary.
Take you at your word. Stop, Mr. Thompson.
Okay.
I will take you at your word on this, that you were here, and I'm not penalizing you for not being here, which would be a warrant would have been issued, okay?
Appreciate
However, your attorney is already gone. And so I don't want you to say anything else to me about your matter. You are represented by counsel, and he is not here. So I'm going to give you a date to come back when I know he's going to be here at 8:30 in the morning. If you would like to get an earlier date because you have something going on, call Attorney Barton. Ask him if he can get you on the docket sooner. He may be able to log in and do that if you have something that needs to get resolved. But he's not here anymore, and I can't do anything about it. I apologize if you were in the waiting room. I've been watching the waiting room very carefully and admitting people all morning. So something happened where you just didn't show up if you were there. Corporal Fidel just came back. I just let him in. So, I don't know.
Not to cut you off, Your Honor. I wasn't in a waiting room. I was on Zoom, and I was wondering, it wasn't nothing going on at all. Nobody was talking, nothing.
In a breakout room? Were you in a breakout room?
But they did. Okay, when he gave me the number, which I already got the number this morning from 36th District Court, and he gave me the number while I was talking to him. I logged in while we were talking, and he said they're gonna put you in a breakout room, but I never went into a breakout room. I was just on Zoom, like I was on hold a long time. So I pushed hello a couple of times. I pushed hello, and then I said,
I apologize because any of my breakout rooms and you weren't showing up in my waiting room. So I don't know.
I wasn't in them. I don't believe I was in those, but I was on Zoom.
Stop. We've resolved this. I apologize if you're
That's
I
fine.
don't know. It's a glitch in the technology that you were just not appearing somewhere. So I apologize for that.
I
If you
appreciate
want
that.
it happen again, you are more than welcome to come down in person if you wish to, but I've got to give you a date to come back.
That's
because
fine.
I have to date, I'm going to give you May 21st, okay, at 9:15, because that's when I know your attorney will be back here. But
that's fine.
You can let him know and he can get you in sooner, okay?
I appreciate you, Your Honor. Thank you.
First, 9:15 a.m. is your time to come back, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day, Mr. Thompson.
You as well.
Okay.
There's Denise here. She's here in person. She's still in person. She came. She was scheduled for 9 o'clock.
Bring her on in, please. Corporal Spadell, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I believe the plea was already taken in your matter.
Okay, thank you. Oh, you have a good day.
Okay. All right, you too. Bye-bye. Okay, Attorney Walling, sorry.
Yes, I'm glad I guess I'm glad I stuck around. Who are we, who's here live?
There's someone in the hallway who was scheduled for 9 a.m. Come on up to the podium, ma'am. You don't need to sit down. Come on up. Thank you. What's your name? Pruitt?
Prude. Okay,
Thank
I
you.
see her.
All right, so let's see if there's an offer there. Do you have a phone that you can dial into Zoom on?
I do.
Okay, so I need you to do that with your phone because the attorney that you're going to need to speak to, Attorney Walling here, he's on Zoom and you can't speak with him privately unless you do that. Okay. So do you know if you have the Zoom app on your phone?
I believe I do.
Okay, look for the app. Looks like her offer is 1 failure to display, 1 improper plate, and a 3-month delay on disorderly.
Yeah, I see that.
All right, so you said you do have,
I don't have the app. He said call in.
yes. So do you have the phone number to do that? Okay, go ahead and call, and then as soon as you call, you can do it right now.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Mr. Walling's gonna come there and talk to you.
Can I get the ticket sent me on the disorderly?
Yeah.
Sorry, session, so sorry.
Sorry. Kim, can you please send Attorney Walling the disorderly conduct ticket on Ms. Prude? Please. Yeah, I'd rather you do, I just had a gentleman in front of me it had some confusion, so I want to make sure you're in before you walk away. There you are. Okay. So now I'm going to put you in, this phone's going to go into breakout room number 3. Oh, where is Okay, it's just because you're on the line. Okay, I need to get you into room 3, but it's not letting me. Hold on. Hi.
I think the room is closed.
Oh, thank you. You are so right. Okay, Attorney Wallet, send her to room 3 with you.
No.
Okay. This is, whew. Now you need me to take us offline?
If we're done, I just want to talk to Wally. He does better with telling me over.
Okay. Where's IT on 5? I'm gonna drop my laptop off there, and I'll be right back.
Do we have a court officer available? Madam Clerk, hi.
Yeah, the court officer he just had to walk the judge up to the 5th floor.
All right, can you give Ms. Prude a pen? Can she come in and get a pencil and piece of paper?
Okay.
And somewhere along the line, I lost Ms. Horn's plea, but I think what I'm going to do with Ms. Prude is try and work on her driver's license and adjourn the pretrials, but I want to get her squared away.
Okay.
Well, I'll go back and wait with her and we can proceed once she gets a pencil. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay, Your Honor, I had stepped away really quickly after all that. Let's see. Let me go.
I gotta call you right back. I gotta call you right back. I'm sorry. Okay, Attorney Walling, are we ready on Ms. Prude?
Ms. Prude, I've released Your Honor till 5/14/26 at 8:35.
Okay, very good. We will see her back then. I think I'm gonna take us off live.